Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Golden Spring towards Temple Hall, St. Andrew Parish. Turning off the A3 main road, also Temple Hall main road, onto Mandela Drive. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Temple Hall, Brandon Hill, and into St. Mary Parish.
Look here now. That's the 1 minute. Alright.
The road ends and we are turning back. We are back at the A3 main road, also Temple Hall main road. Going left will take you to Golden Spring, Stony Hill, Constant Spring and into Kingston. But we'll be making the right to Temple Hall, Brandon Hill and into St. Mary Parish. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.